Pulling up, 956 training facility. We got riders right there. Gonna go ride some moto, Masterpool. Been kicking it with them a lot. Finally got the chance to be out here in Texas. Supercross was sick. I'm gonna go show them how to fucking ride a bike. We're about to go blow some shit up, cowboy style.
Damn, bus looks good in Texas.
On the sticks. Are you okay?
Yeah, they just
The party has arrived.
You made it.
Yeah, I've never met that tie either.
Texas shit, huh?
Yeah.
oh shit, that was wicked. Absolutely nuclear.
That was pretty nuke.
That was pretty big, dude.
Now you can use the word.
Knock the rust off a little bit. Got this new kit on right here. Shout out Fly, shout out Orange V. Hopefully I don't stain it today. Let's go have a good day. Let's go ride with the boys.
You need to practice starts for lorettas or what? We are currently in paradise, getting the little turds ready for Loretta Lake qualifier in Swan. You can make it. Let's go. What, plus 25?
Yeah, plus 30, plus 25.
There you go.
This Joder's lit, folks!
Let's go, show me something, motherfucker.
Shoo! That's fucking battles out here, pussy lips! Welcome to the moto track shop! What do you think, Richard Garbangles?
Sick.
Yo, try to get him back here.
You know, just trying to step up for my boy Mikey not being here helping out C. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, between working at White Knuckle Speed Shop, coming out here and being moto, Joe Comedy could probably end up being a full-time mechanic. Fortunately for me, I get to do other cooler shit, but happy to help my boy out. 450, how you doing?
Shit's sick. Finally feeling a little bit better, knocking the rust off, little by little. Getting a little bit of flow, stretching a little bit. Dirt bike, got all the boys out here having a good time. My factory mechanic right here. I was a little scared at first.
You need Jerry to make it smooth for you?
Yeah, pretty much. Once I started riding a little bit more aggressive, I was feeling better.
How long has it been since you rode?
It's like 4 weeks, but out at Paula and Paris, it's so smooth. It's not like,
Same here.
yeah, hopefully I was torn about getting rid of it and getting a cow again, but these things get a factory edition. I lost like 25 pounds and my gear, you know, usually I run in my
I was going to
baggie.
say, you got chest protector
Yeah,
too?
yeah.
My mom out here.
Sorry, I'm being mom.
How you feeling today, dude?
Serious about my racing.
About to find out, I guess.
It's just Harleys.
You get a ride or you just gonna look cool?
I'm gonna do both.
At least you look cool.
Man, how did it go? You look like you're having fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It took me a few laps to get fucking kind of just get the track in.
I know.
It's like has that hard pack slick, you know? It's still like rutted, but it's still kind of slick on top. So it's like just throttle control.
Oh yeah, you gave me that good little panic grab right here.
Oh
You
my
made me
god,
nervous.
bro! I
Yeah.
did. I probably flat spotted the fucking rims. I got to pay for the rims. I was pissed, dude. I don't even know how to tighten spokes. I'm like, fucking.
feel that right when you got back out, that one where you just calmed down and stick.
Yeah.
Do you remember that one? Yeah, like right in the line. That's the key. Is the other ones you're like charging, and it's like one step forward, then you feel where it's like,
Exactly. Just being rusty, you know. I still got it. I just need to ride it. I just got to ride a little more.
Yeah, I was impressed.
I only ride 4 times a year.
Yeah, you need more than that.
Yeah, exactly.
He ain't gonna go out like no sucker, but Masterpool's on CJ6. He's about to turn that speed on. They're coming in right here. Orham wanted the smoke. All of the smoke.
Absolutely nuclear, dude.
Chop, look out. What's the word, baby?
We're full factory today, baby. We got Barham out here hitting some moto.
Shout your boy out.
Yeah, I got my boy Meiji slapping. We're just out here having a good time. You know me, Joe Comedy. I'm just happy to be here. Big shout out to the Masterpool family. Incredible people.
No, we were pumped you guys were able to come out.
To be out, to be able to be out here, fucking riding with you boys is like dream come true.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
thanks.
Sounds good.
What do you think of that track today, buddy?
Shit, that was definitely a man's track for me. I don't know, like, I need that shit freshly groomed, blue skies, about 70 degrees, not too hot, not too cold, not too rough, not too deep. I need perfect conditions. And today was all that, but still a little gnarly for me.
First day back, yeah, just riding a corner track. I'm feeling pretty good. First day out of the new shop, dude. Still getting everything dialed in. Feeling good. Ready to get back out there. Facility's about to be dialed, dude. Dialed.
Already is. Carl Casington the third.
That's me, dude. Dude, it doesn't seem that big, but then when you hit it, it's like, wow.
I think you got it.
This is the stuff I wore when you let me ride before, right?
It is.
Dude's fresh.
Be fresh as hell with the feds. Watch it.
Wadded in that shit at Shane's house.
Oh, the Slayer getting Western.
This track was funny. I thought it was gonna be easy watching Masterpool ride it. I was like, I'm gonna bar
Kind of scary out here.
Oh my god. This shit's hard.
Said you can tear up anything but Pops' gravel.
Just do it right here.
Wah, wah.
Twist some chicken.
A little pre-dinner show, dude. Are you kidding me?
God damn it, Ty was so right. That was sick. That was
Not bad.
Permanently marked. I seen the front wheel diving.
That was so sick.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks again for having us. Seriously, it's
Yeah, it's been unreal.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure.
That was tough, dude. That was sick.
You're a full-blown cowboy now, I guess, dude.
That was sick.
What do we got to do to get a butt patch, bro?
Butt patch?
Yeah.
Concrete Cowboys? That'd be sick.
We get a little more bread, we can pay him to get that butt patch on there, huh?
Or like a little helmet job maybe one weekend. Come
On
on.
the back of the helmet?
Yeah.
It's all a letdown from here on out.